Welcome to Learning Programming through JavaScript number 6. In this, we're going to learn about branching if and else statements. This is probably going to be one of the most useful tools in programming and is a core part of logic. So let's say we add a variable called x. We can use an if statement to actually run different code depending on the value of x. Alright, take this code for example. If x bigger than equal to 50, curly brace, alert x is big, end curly brace. This will run the code inside the curly braces if bigger than or equal to 50. Seeing that x is 50, let's run this. You can see it outputs x is big. Now, for example, the else statement can be attached to this curly brace after an if statement, like this, to run a second part of code in the other case, for example, that x isn't bigger than or equal to 50. So we'll change x to 20, and now you can see it outputs x is small. There you go, now you've learned about if statements. This is one of the core parts of logic, and in the next episode we're going to learn about input and output, and you can make your first actual program that takes user input.